Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you in this video so stylish and very attractive collection of highlights in short hair. Beautiful different ideas of trendy haircut. Very stylish hairstyling. And many much more beautiful and latest ideas of highlights in short hair with beautiful haircut, hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I will talk about highlights. Many much more latest ideas of highlights you see in this video. Some ideas: full hair, cap highlights, name of cap highlights sticks, and some ideas only flick highlights, and some ideas front highlights, front ear to ear, and different shade of highlights. Some ideas in blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, dazzling blonde, and bold blonde with dark base color. Some ideas in funky colors of highlights with light base color. And so beautiful collection of haircut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, deep layered, undercut, notching haircut, choppy haircut. Attractive ideas of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle. Heavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler. Two beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. Spike with undercut. Messy hairstyle. An overall collection very stylish and latest of highlights in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. On my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. Share it your all over social media accounts, and thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon. Right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.